Hi, I'm Chloe from Destination Golf, and I'm here at the beautiful Ombria Resort. Amazing, Salvador, the director of golf here. Thank you for having us. Wow, just wow, isn't it? Tell me more about this beautiful place.
Well, it's call it an inner gem in the Algarve. So we're a brand new golf course. We just opened in April 23. The golf course, because then the whole other facilities we just opened last October 24. So we're just fresh, new, and in a different Algarve. That's one of the unique conditions that we want to show.
It is, because a lot of the courses are out down near the coast. You're up here in the hills, but you're surrounded by nature.
Completely.
It's a very unique aspect of the golf course.
You mentioned nature, and it's one of our focus points here. It's very authentic. It's very nature. So we're surrounded by nature all around, and like you said, it's in a different Algarve. We're not by the seaside. We're by the what we'd call mountains, the Barrocal area. It's this new Algarve. And yes, with different characteristics on the golf course and also the hotel.
Yeah, so the hotel, tell me about the restaurants and the facilities on offer.
So we have 141 what we call room keys. So it's divided between 76 hotel rooms and 65 apartments, one bedroom and two bedrooms. And the concept was recreated in a small Portuguese village. So it's not a block of rooms. It's a place that we can walk around. You can find a restaurant here. You can have a coffee or a coffee shop here. You can go and drink a glass of wine on another place. So if you want to stay here, you don't have to leave here. And besides that, we have 6 restaurants on site, 5 swimming pools, and one of our also focus points will be the spa. Almost 2,000 square meters spa.
Okay, and that's on that side of the property over there?
Exactly.
Yeah, so all the views around here, you can see the golf course kind of wraps around the resort?
Absolutely. Yeah, so we have the what we call the golf course view and the valley view. We have completely two different 9 holes. We have the front 9, which is surrounded by water. The river, the local river goes along the 9 holes, the first 9 holes. And then on the back 9 you have 0 water. So it provides a different and variety playability of the golf course.
Different challenges for the golfer.
Completely.
So you've played it here many times, I'm sure. Tell me.
Not so many, not so many.
I guess finding the time. Tell me, what is the holes I should look out for today? Any signature ones?
Well, one of my favorites, it's our hole number 4.
Okay.
Probably the highest point of the golf course, but also provides the best views, I would say. But it's a par 3. It's just beautiful with the landscape, with the natural trees behind it. It provides a really beautiful backdrop for the shot. And if you look at the green, the backdrop is just amazing. But if you look on the side, you see all the valley view, and it's just, you can sit there for
a long time.
For a long time.
Oh, lovely. I'm looking forward to getting out there and playing some golf. There's a lot of golfers out there at the moment. I think I'm going to go join them. Thank you so much for your time today.
You're very welcome.
Really looking forward to getting out there, and I hope to be back again soon.
Please do.
Thank you.
Thank you.